Hello, welcome back. We're continuing with our castle generator. And yeah, it looks like my views on the third video just went down, non-existent. But hey, for the few guys who are watching this, I'm happy that you're here, happy that you're watching. You can see I got some new stuff in the background there. Ooh, it's a poster I got from what's it called? Art event thing. Went to Berlin. It's called Playgrounds Art Department. It was amazing. It was amazing few days. Met a lot of great artists, a lot of amazing people, and it was lovely. Now I'm back here in Sweden, doing what I do. But cool. I've been thinking it is time to actually make a Houdini asset out of it. HDA, yeah, and just what's called expose parameters, so we can, actually make it a useful procedural asset. So we can, change the walls, for example, change the window amount, all those things, and also get it in Unreal Engine. And yeah, once we do this, then we just continue building up our castle based on our reference. Let me bring that one up. We're making this. Or we're trying to. It would be cool if you can just plop down a castle out of nowhere in Unreal Engine. And just it will have all those cool towers, it will have the walls, the textures. I think that would be pretty awesome. Okay, let's see if I remember how to do the whole HDA thingy. Okay, so to create a HDA out of this, we can select all our nodes, go in here, new digital asset from selection, call it, give it a name, castle, and accept. Yeah, now we have our own little procedural asset, or base for it, where we can start creating our interface. I'm gonna move this over here for now. You can see inside our geometry node, we now have this subnet, which contains what we've been working on. It also added this output node, so this makes sure that if you're outside here, it will always show the output node, so the end of the network. Okay, let's start to add some parameters to our interface. You can see now when we have this selected, like there's nothing here, nothing in our interface. So let's do that. Let's see, maybe we can add an extra viewport here for our parameters. No. Okay, I don't know. Let's just put it here then. So can I make this smaller? No. Okay, right, let's do it like this. A bit hacky, I know. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, okay. Cool. Let's go inside. Okay, just so you get the idea, I will just start with something random. So for example, those tiles we have, or those bricks sticking out. I want to add a parameter to control the amount of how many of those bricks we have. So let's find the place where we made our bricks, which should be here. Of course, it would be easier if you would add comments to a section to be like, oh, here I made my bricks, here I made my door. Bricks, bricks, bricks. Where are the bricks? Okay, wait, we have why is it always showing the thing? Is it because of this here? Oh, okay. Oh. Can I turn this up? Yeah, there we go. Our bricks should be this thing here, right? Yeah, those are our bricks. So we go in here. Where do we control the amount of our brick? We do that where we random select. Here we do that. So you can see if I move this, we get more bricks. Those bricks are not the best looking ones right now, but you know, we can work on this later. Step by step. Yeah. So now we can just take this. So open our type properties. We opened those by like right click and type properties. And then go here to parameters. Then we can just grab this ratio parameter and drag it into here. And now you can see if we press apply, and go to our network, that we have this parameter here now. And we can control it from here now, which is great. So now ideally you wanna put on certain limits. For example, a default value could be like this one. Let's see, what's our default? Is that our default? Okay, here's our default value. Apply. Cool, and maybe let's give it a different name. We can call it brick. Come on. Homes. Okay. Then what else could we expose? We could no. Definitely our curve. So I will have to research that a little bit, how we can feed in a curve. I mean, I guess we will just probably have an input here or something. But I will look into that. So ideally we want to be able to draw our curve in Unreal Engine later and then create the shape of the castle based on that. Okay, so we definitely do want our wall shape exposed, which is here. So we can, you know, edit all of this. Damn it, crashed. Okay. Okay. Crash resolved. So yes, exactly. We wanted to add control of our shape. See if it crashes again. I hope not. No, it does not crash. This is cool. You can see right now it's a bit slow. We might do a little optimized path at one point, maybe soon. So we can keep it a bit smoother. There's a really handy tool to find nodes which take a long time to process. So we'll have a look at that in a bit. But yeah, let's add this spline shape thingy. So we can just, drag this over here. Call this wall shape. Apply. Let's see how that looks. Cool. So also, whatever was in here is now our default value as well. So we'll default to this type of shape. We can also change that. I think by just clearing the default value and then copy pasting it in here, something like this, but I'll just not do that for now. Cool, that means we can now control our stone amount, our wall shape. Yeah, maybe let's add the door, which don't worry, we'll not leave it a heart. But let's at least add that we can where we want it position wise, which we can do by going to our carve, as you can see, and again we just throw that into here. You can call that door position. Okay. Now as well we can move our door. That's pretty cool. Let's add some for the windows as well, and then maybe we can see how we can get it into our Android engine. Where's my lo-fi? I need my lo-fi. Windows. Where do we make windows? I think here, right? Don't we? Yeah. So let's maybe see what we can control here. I think we can control how many we want. Here. Oh no. Let's save. So now let's just add this to our parameters. And maybe we can, there it is. Maybe as default value, let's take this one. So we go to our, here, apply. Call this window amount. Apply. Cool. Maybe let's just add a window height as well. Okay, where is it by default? The bottom here, let's see. Let's just add another transform node. Call it height. Yeah. If we want to be smart about it, we want to limit it to the height of our wall. Which maybe we could do now. Don't want to get sidetracked too much. Yeah, I have an idea how to do it, but let's not get sidetracked too much. I will just stick to our topic of the day. So let's just do it the lazy way now, and we'll make it a smarter way later. So yeah, so we'll just use this y-axis and we'll just throw that into our parameters. So we have that into our parameters. Can I just throw that in here? No, I don't think so. Okay, maybe this is a good point to show how to create a parameter from scratch. So if I delete this one, then left here we have all kinds of parameters. So we just want a float, which is just a number. Yeah, so we created our own. There's also stuff like separators and folders, so for organizing the interface. That's all in here. We're gonna look at that later as well. Right, so now we want this new parameter we dragged in here, we want to link it. Okay, so I'm just gonna drop that here and then remove this one and remove this one, and now it's just this one. Okay, now it should work, I think. Indeed, it does work. Now you can see again, it's regenerating stuff, which is annoying. It's slow. So what's happening now is that we have the windows at the beginning of our graph here, and then it's recalculating all of this just for regenerating the windows. You can see if we move it here, it's like very smooth. So that's stuff we can optimize later, so it doesn't regenerate everything. Yeah, let's call that window apply, and we want it to go to minus as well. So we set the range to -5 to 5, right? Just using some random numbers right now. And now it also goes to the minus. You can reset. Wow, why is that here? Man, it's crashing so much. Okay. We gotta figure out what those crashes are about as well at one point, because that's no fun. But again, shouldn't get sidetracked for now. Could be some weird Boolean stuff, some weird geometry, doing weird things. I don't know, it's my guess. Am I recording? I'm recording, cool. And this time in 1080p. Cool, I think, yeah, let's just add a bit of organization to our UI. So at least this wall shape can be collapsed to something, because now it has all those extra parameters. Oh wait, it can be collapsed. But we can add just add something just to show you. Maybe we can add a label or something like that. Label. Call it window. What? Cool. Now we have this here. Can we add the little folder thing? Let's see what that does. Cool. Now it's in another folder. What if we add another folder? And it's here, okay. What if we add it inside here? Oh no, nothing is inside the folder. Yeah, I can see now I have it like this. Let's delete this one. Simple. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Okay, so we don't need this label, but we can just call this one Windows. All right. Set another folder. Call it wall. Beautiful. Make it a simple collapsible, maybe. Let's keep it as simple. Let's keep it simple for now. Cool. Let's open Unreal Engine. I haven't opened it in a while. 5.1. Let's see if we even have our right plugin. Side effects, packages. Great. In the meantime, I will look up how to install the plugin. Cool, so we have to manually copy over the plugin file. Imagine Unreal. Then we need the right version. And this folder we think we can just copy over. Cool, and now we just copy that over. Alright, that should be it. I imagine we probably have to restart again. Also not too familiar with Unreal Engine 5 yet. I haven't used it that much. It shouldn't be all too different, I hope. Yeah, okay, let's just give that another restart. That's loading fast. Yes, please. Houdini. You. Update. Okay, update. Alrighty. So now all we need to do is just export our HDA, and then we can import it. Let's go type properties. Apply, and it should be in here. HDLC. It says LC because I have the indie license. But I think we can exporting an HDA should also work. But like just removing those two and exporting HDA should also work, I think. But yeah, let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It's in a different directory. I want it in here though. So now it should be in here. There it is. Okay, and now I think. How do you open the bar again? Control space. You can open this bottom bar. You can make a HDA folder. See what happens? Does it work? Oh. Use the different shortcuts. Houdini engine session log. Failed to start create session. Oh! Recook. This is very unpretty. What is this? Why can't I? I wish this would be collapsible. And this is tiny, like... Oh well. Too many windows. Nothing happening. What? What do you mean session lost? What? Restart session. Oh, okay, now it works. Yep. Now I can see door position. Okay. So this is in now. Let's just play. How's the collision looking? Do we have collision? Nah, collision is non-existent, but that's okay. So cool, we have it in engine, parameters work. But now it is time for me to eat. So thank you for watching so far. And yeah, step by step we'll continue. We'll get to the goal eventually. For you few people watching this, thank you for watching it. Maybe I'll keep them a bit shorter, the videos. Because I gotta say the editing is pain in the ass. I just want to work on this. I don't feel like editing these videos, but maybe it's easier if I keep them a bit shorter, more digestible. Man, look at the real-time bounce light in here. Like so warm in here, cold outside. That's cool. Exciting technology, man. All this lumen and nanite. Cool stuff, cool stuff. But yeah, have a lovely evening, guys. See ya. Peace out. Pop, pop.